Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can appear offline in Roblox on your mobile device. So first I'm going to load up the Roblox application like so, and then we want to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Alright, from here we're just gonna scroll down until we see settings. So click on settings, and then here we want to go to privacy. Okay, so this should load up for you. So here what we do is change a few settings. So for communication, we want to turn this off. As you can see, this changes who can message me. It changes it to no one. Then who can chat with me in app? Again, no one. And who can chat with me? No one. So after you have changed this, there's another thing that we need to change. We're just gonna scroll down again, and other settings. Who can make me a member of their private server? We want to change this to no one as well. Who can join me in experiences? Again, no one. And who can view my inventory? No one. So this is the closest thing we have to appearing offline in Roblox on your mobile device. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.